Welcome. Today I'm showing how to check battery health information into Nokia T21. First of all, go into your Play Store and find here Ampere application. I'll show you this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Okay, need switch in this position. Hop. Okay, and now tap yes I agree, close, and okay. And now need swipe on the right, and here on the second column on the top we got our health information, so our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.